You need to tell everybody about all the great opportunities in the city of Charlotte, including products, services and promotions. Then you need Cube. By using mobile devices, Cube makes this really easy. To start, they just enter Qubit/Charlotte on their mobile device or PC, or they just scan QR codes around the city to go straight to Cube. They're immediately into the Cube channel without any download or registration to find out about all the benefits of joining the Charlotte Cube channel. By joining, they find out about the businesses nearby that offer the things the user says they're actually interested in. Not only will this take the city a significant step closer to becoming one of the world's first fully digital cities, but it will help to show how to improve life for its businesses and citizens using the rich data collected by Cube while people are using the channel. All businesses, large and small, will have an equal opportunity to engage consumers using great-looking ads that encourage them to visit the premises or complete purchases online. Just Scan is committed to delivering effective digital marketing to Charlotte by connecting businesses with their consumers using mobile technologies.